So I got this dog grooming kit because my dog grows a lot of fur between his toes and he slips on the wood floor. So let me unbox this and show you what all is included in this dog grooming kit. So you have a pair of scissors, you have a nail file, you have a nail cutter, you have a metal comb, some instructions, and then you have the groomers. So you have a couple different groomers. So you have a full dog shaver with all sorts of attachments. That's not what we're going to use here today on this dog because he has not the right coat for that, but we're going to use the little small shaver, which the cool thing about this is that it has the little between the toes option. And on top of all that, let me pull the plastic off of this. So these are USB-C rechargeable, which is really nice. And then you can see that they have a battery level right here on the screen, and then they don't cut you, which is lovely. So you can rub it around, and they have this little light. And so it works really well, and I'll show you how it works on the dog. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the paw and see all this fur that is sticking out. The light is honestly super handy. Or just gonna come in and shave it around the pad. They're not gonna like the sensation, the vibration, but it's okay, it doesn't hurt them. It's just vibrating. So, I know, big boy, I know. We're just shaving your fur. And what it's allowing us to do is give them more traction back. So we traded dogs because the other one actually got really ticklish in the paws and decided he was done with that. So we got our other dog and we will show you the before and after on the paws. So this is the before, see all the fur. So what happens is she ends up sliding around on the floor and we're gonna take the trimmer, turn it on, and we're just gonna slowly just kind of trim back a little bit of the fur around the pads. And that gives her a lot more traction where she's not slipping and sliding quite so much. It does tickle, and depends how ticklish your dog is. If they're super ticklish, it might have a little freak out like the other one did. She's actually not as ticklish, so it works well. And you're just basically doing it like that. So now the pads have a lot more exposure, and they have a little bit more grip. This works super well. One of my favorite features is the light, because having that light just super close really helps pinpoint what you're doing. So if you're looking for a really nice dog trimmer, I highly suggest checking this out.